Hello, tech enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Today, we're diving into the future, the year 2024. Just imagine, a world where software technologies and artificial intelligence have taken quantum leaps, reshaping our lives. The pace of change is breathtaking, isn't it? But it's not just about keeping up. It's about understanding, adapting, and embracing these advancements. The future is here and it's revolutionary. So buckle up as we journey into the world of 2024 and the tech revolutions it holds. In just a year, the tech world has witnessed some groundbreaking changes. Imagine for a moment a world where machines learn from their experiences, where data is the new gold, and the cloud is the new frontier. This isn't the stuff of science fiction, but the reality of 2024. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's more commonly known, has taken giant leaps in the past year. Today, AI isn't just about smart algorithms, it's about systems that can understand, learn, predict, and operate autonomously. They're not just processing data, they're making decisions, a feat that was once solely the domain of humans. Next up, we have machine learning. A subset of AI machine learning is when machines improve their performance without humans having to explain exactly how to accomplish all the tasks. It's like teaching a toddler to identify shapes. You don't spell out the mathematical properties of a square or a circle. You just show them examples and they learn. Big data, another buzzword you might have heard, has also been making waves. In 2024, we've started to understand that it's not just about the amount of data, but what we do with it. Businesses are using big data to analyze patterns, trends, and associations, especially relating to human behavior and interactions. And let's not forget about cloud computing, the backbone of this new tech revolution. It's enabling businesses to reduce their upfront IT costs, scale as they grow, and access applications anytime, anywhere. In 2024, the cloud isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. These technologies are not just buzzwords, they are shaping our present and will define our future. In the span of a year, we've seen dramatic shifts in the landscape of technology. What was once considered cutting edge is now commonplace, and what was once a distant dream is now within our grasp. It's an exciting time, to say the least, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Now, you might be wondering, how do these tech revolutions impact me or my business? Well, let's dive into that. These technological leaps are not just about shiny new gadgets or complex algorithms buried in code, they are about reshaping the way we live, work, and conduct business. For businesses, these technologies are the new tools of trade, the engines driving growth and innovation. Let's take a look at the realm of artificial intelligence, for example. It's not just about robots taking over mundane tasks, it's about AI-powered analytics, helping businesses make smarter decisions, reducing costs, and increasing efficiency. It's about personalized customer experiences, tailored marketing campaigns, and predictive maintenance in industries. From healthcare to finance, from retail to manufacturing, AI is becoming the backbone of innovation. And it's not just the business world that's being impacted. For individuals, the tech revolution is changing the way we navigate our daily lives. With the rise of the Internet of Things, our homes are becoming smarter. Our devices are more connected, our experiences more seamless. Virtual reality is converting our living rooms into concert halls and movie theaters. Augmented reality is transforming our smartphones into interactive learning tools. But it's not all about convenience and entertainment. The tech revolution is also creating new job roles and opportunities. As businesses adopt these technologies, they need people who can understand, manage, and innovate with them. We're talking about roles like AI specialists, data scientists, cybersecurity analysts, and many more. It's an exciting time to be a part of the tech industry. Of course, with great innovation comes great responsibility. As we embrace these technologies, we need to ensure they are used ethically and responsibly. We need to address challenges around privacy, security, and digital divide. Adapting to these tech revolutions isn't an option, it's a necessity. This is not just about keeping up with the Joneses. It's about staying relevant in a world that's changing at warp speed. It's about seizing opportunities, driving innovation, and shaping the future. So, are you ready to dive into the tech revolution? So, how can we stay relevant in this rapidly evolving tech world? Well, the answer lies in a three-pronged approach: continuous learning, embracing change, and staying informed about the latest trends. Firstly, continuous learning is paramount. Technology is a field that never stops growing and changing. What's cutting edge today might be obsolete in a few years or even months. To stay relevant, we need to be lifelong learners, always ready to acquire new skills and knowledge. This could mean taking online courses, attending seminars or workshops, or even just reading up on the latest tech news. The point is to never stop learning. Secondly, we must embrace change. This can be challenging, especially when we've grown comfortable with the way things are. But in the world of technology, change is inevitable. To stay relevant, we need to be adaptable, ready to let go of outdated practices and willing to embrace new ways of doing things. This could mean adopting new software, changing our business models, or even rethinking our entire approach to work. Lastly, staying informed about the latest trends is crucial. The tech world moves at a blistering pace, and it's easy to fall behind if we're not paying attention. By staying informed, we can anticipate changes and adapt accordingly. This could mean following tech blogs, subscribing to industry newsletters, or even just keeping an eye on what the leading companies in your field are doing. But let's not forget, staying relevant is not just about keeping up with the latest trends or learning new skills. It's also about understanding how these changes impact us on a deeper level, how they shape our society and our lives. This requires a broader perspective, a willingness to look beyond the immediate and consider the bigger picture. In conclusion, staying relevant in the tech world is a complex, ongoing process. It requires continuous learning, adaptability, and a keen awareness of the latest trends. But above all, it requires a willingness to embrace change in all its forms. Remember, in the world of technology, the only constant is change. As we wrap up this glimpse into 2024, one thing is clear. The ever-evolving realm of technology is not just a trend, it's a revolution. This revolution is transforming our lives, our work, and the world as we know it. Staying updated with these advancements isn't just an option, it's a necessity. The future is here, and it's high time we embrace it. So here's to embracing the tech revolution and staying relevant in the new tech era. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning. For more tech trends, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell for notifications, and share the video. Thank you for watching.